Hello everyone. Today we will be creating this image background text animation using HTML and CSS. This is what we will be creating in this video. Let's get started. First guys, I press shift exclamation and tab. Okay, and we are going to link it to our CSS. Link CSS. Done. Now we are going to have a h1 with a class of maybe class of clip. Okay, now we are going to close it and we are going to give a text of good. Okay, now that's it for HTML. Let's go code our CSS. First we are going to have a asterisk. After that we are going to have a selector. We are going to have a margin is going to be 0. We are going to have padding is going to be 0. Okay guys, so now we are going to have a border box. This is just the selector starting codes only. So next we will code our body and the h1. Next we are going to have a border box sizing is going to be border box. Okay, so this is for our asterisk. Now we are going to code our body is going to have a height of 100 viewport. Okay, now we are going to have font family. Font family is going to be sans serif. Okay, now we are going to have a display is going to be flex, and we are going to have a justify content is going to be center, and we are going to have a align items also going to be center. Okay, now and we are going to have a background of color black. Okay, now this is for our body. Now we are going to code our heading. We are going to have a heading. Heading means our clip. So dot clip. How to do a dot clip? Dot clip, and we're going to have space in between here. Enter, and we're going to have a font size. It's going to be 10 rem. 10 rem, and it's going to have a font weight. Font weight is going to be 900. Okay, now we are going to have a background URL. Background URL is going to be the image that I have taken for this video, and we are going to have a background size is going to be cover. We are going to have a background clip also, it's going to be text. Okay guys, now we are going to have a WebKit. Make a WebKit. WebKit is going to be, guys, background clip is going to be text. Now we are going to enter. After we are going to have a color. The color is going to be transparent. So transparent, exactly. Yeah. So now we'll run it. Nice. Now we open it in browser. Yeah. So guys, this is what we have created in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.